Switzerland, a land where nature paints its most breathtaking masterpiece. Among its many wonders, one valley stands above the rest, Lauterbrunnen, a place where towering cliffs rise like ancient guardians, and waterfalls cascade gracefully from heights that seem to touch the clouds. Today, we journey deep into this alpine paradise, a world where serenity, power, and beauty blend into a single unforgettable experience. Lauterbrunnen lies in one of Europe's deepest glacial valleys. As you enter the valley, the first thing you notice is its silence, a peaceful stillness broken only by the distant echo of waterfall. Green meadows stretch to both sides, dotted with wooden chalets and grazing cows whose bells ring softly in the crisp mountain air. The valley feels untouched, ancient, a place frozen in time. Standing nearly 300 meters tall, Staubbach Falls is one of Europe's highest free-falling waterfalls. From a distance, it looks like a silver ribbon dancing in the breeze, drifting down from the cliff as if descending from the heavens. In the early morning light, droplets catch the sun and form a shimmering mist around the base. The sound is gentle, almost whisper-like, creating a calm atmosphere that invites travelers to pause, breathe, and admire the valley's beauty. Not all waterfalls in Lauterbrunnen flow gracefully. Some roar with the raw power of nature. Hidden deep inside the mountains are the Trümmelbach Falls, a series of glacial waterfalls carrying the meltwater of the Eiger, Mönch, and Jungfrau. Here, the sound is thunderous. Water rushes through narrow stone passages, carving its way through rock at incredible force. Walking through the tunnels, you feel the vibration under your feet, the heartbeat of the mountains themselves. At the center of the valley sits the peaceful village of Lauterbrunnen. Traditional chalets with flower-lined balconies stand against the dramatic backdrop of cliffs and waterfalls. The church tower, simple yet elegant, rises above the village and has become one of Lauterbrunnen's most iconic images. Life here moves at a slower pace. People walk, not rush. Children play in the fields. Cyclists glide along quiet paths. Everywhere you look, nature frames the village like a living postcard. From Lauterbrunnen, a mountain train climbs steadily toward the village of Wengen. With no cars allowed, Wengen feels peaceful and untouched. As you rise higher, the valley opens below, revealing sweeping views of forests, fields, and waterfalls. Here, you are surrounded by the giants of the Bernese Alps. Snow-covered peaks glow under the sunlight, and wooden chalets stand on green slopes that overlook the world. In winter, Wengen becomes a fairy tale ski village. In summer, it transforms into a paradise for hikers and mountain lovers. Across the valley lies another treasure, Mürren. Perched on a balcony high above Lauterbrunnen, this village offers one of the best views in all of Switzerland. The air feels fresher, the scenery sharper, and the silence deeper. From here, the mighty trio Eiger, Mönch, and Jungfrau dominate the horizon. Their presence is overwhelming yet comforting, a reminder of nature's greatness. Cable cars glide past cliffs, taking travelers to even higher viewpoints where the Alps stretch endlessly in every direction. Lauterbrunnen is not just about waterfalls, it is a living landscape filled with wildlife, forests, and alpine meadows. In spring and summer, wildflowers bloom across the valley floor, painting it with bright colors. Hikers follow scenic trails along rivers, through forests, and up mountain slopes, discovering new viewpoints with every step. The purity of the air, the sound of flowing water, and the soft light of the mountains create a peaceful atmosphere that stays with you long after you leave. Lauterbrunnen is more than a destination. It is a dream, a place where nature displays both its calmest beauty and its greatest strength. From gentle waterfalls drifting down sunlit cliffs to the powerful rivers carving deep into the mountains, every part of this valley tells a story millions of years in the making. Whether you come for adventure, peace, or inspiration, Lauterbrunnen leaves an imprint on your heart. A reminder that somewhere in the world, true magic still exists. Lauterbrunnen, Switzerland's Valley of Dreams.